How to start a one-on-one chat in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can start a one-on-one chat in Microsoft Teams. So in order to initiate a one-on-one chat, the first thing that you would need is either the name, the mobile number, or the email address of that particular person with whom you want to chat. And once you have received even one of these details, then it is absolutely very simple. So then moving on to our Microsoft Teams windows, you can see this search bar right here, which is indeed very powerful for the global as well as local searches. So in order to start, the first thing you can do is simply type in their email address. So for example, let me type in the email address of my buddy John, and then I can type in the complete email address, and here you can see that in the email address I can see their profile, or I can also search them for people and others as well. In the people, I can see this is a person that goes by John, and they are not on Teams yet. So I can simply click onto this invite via link, and a link will be sent to them. And once they accept it, they will be landed into Teams, and I can start chatting with them. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.